Okay. Give so someone that will announce your Thanksgiving.
Zion, yeah. Zion USA, yeah. Zion USA, yeah. Uno simple.
We want to hear your English.
Make I talk.
Talk.
3 billion 1,550,000.
Wait. Tiamat, no, I can't hear you.
3 billion 1,550,000.
Wow.
Plus 30,000 cheers.
Hold USA. We fly.
3BB.
3BB. Amen. Zion USA 3 billion 1,500,000. People jam your hand for Zion USA branch. Jam your hands for them. Oh, no. Stand on your feet and celebrate Jesus. Wave your flag in Amen and amen. Only home. Receive your own billion. Hey. Internet Samawala. Yabawa. 1,500,000. Hey. Oye kulie, ochiriutie, olaba. Network una kotu ya kotu sie. Ole ho. Oye kulie, ochiriutie, olaba. Here, ida.
I love it, Igbo. Zion American branch. Fade disappointed. Because check one educate moment of truth. Check one mathematical one mama. Check one mama 3G ha. Check one ndo eko nisi. Kono manende no na hospital bed keta maka na ega akpolo. Ega akpolo ulukwoli kolopu mmadu ume. 3 billion 1,500,000 naira with 30,000 shares. For God's sake, that 30,000 shares is again close to 20 million. I on had each na 30,000 shares. Show about 20 million naira also in the America. ndị America unu nyụrụ ife na-ese last year onye anyụkwana times 3 mmadụ ife n'elu almost times 4 ife unu nyụrụ last year ọ na-ese okwu ịma na ife na-eme ndị agha ha bịa chekicha ka ịkụ isi wee wụrụ Evangelist Ebuka Obi ya dono n'elu ego ha kpatabụ sinsi ụwa ha ji wee kpawa ego. Ụfọdụ ndị amụma na-ewu anya ọkụ n'ime ha wụrụ na sinsi ha ji wee nọrọ into the ministry ha fụbụhụ die ego, so they couldn't comprehend that money. So this one now, how are they going to cope? Don't forget that Ndi UK branch with our 235 million, if I'm not mistaken, 235 million. When you put it together with Ndi America Water, we are looking at close to 4 billion from just 2 branches. Now, when you sum the whole amount of those Sonny Water, Mande branches in Nigeria, Mande Water 50 million, Mande Water 70, Mande Water 80 years together, it will not be out of place now on this Thanksgiving so far. And we're close to 6 billion. And we know that an Evangelist Ebuka Obi and they are personally with so many bodies on Zion. He has been in Lagos. One day, the project and to go completed. You got to go. I know you to come, but at least ego yashi also. Ego yashi also. You got to go. So, I should not get Bagaria Ketana. Even a hospital, so Dogasi nearby. Man, they know Ogidinso. Man o ma jen and ke that G unko nebidogo. Nemepe the hospitals hospital emepe nebidogo admit in the mother. Jeneba, ono manda admit go leba. You got a woman colop, woman colop, obi mapo. And guess what? Can we won't get you a goni na yabana babe Kobe. A bad guy see what they got when I wallow. It shall eat a Christina quota. I'm a nifu boy guy. What I go and in the water 3.something billion close to 4 billion window no kuneli daily. Eka hamma. If you bene gas in the juemo, a papa benes in Siju ego. Man and then when you keep putting such amount of money or todo ego, how will you water? Case in daily. Dalon. Ekenelungo. So, in America, it disappointed this year. We know to acquire. Actually, I thought along that line. The other go, I'm a nego high water 3 billion, but they won't make equality exactly 3 billion for the other. So, finally, ndo be malapo. Over to you people. If you know John will cook again this week, but now we are ready. You other go, we are ready. If you go, the money go no bago. You other go, Oyana bata hair, Nadia Guis na quota. You other go, if I don't man, if I don't make the Zionite all over the world, thank you very much. The Aluno Hinde, the America, the world power. Unu go say no to the world power. Unu go say no to the world power. Unu disappoint her. Unu you qualify unu times 3 last year. Kaifo, and go ye wo tudo, and go ye wo to bagala. Still broadcasting from the headquarters of Ezugo TV. With your presenter and Isiagu Ezugo, Ezigbo mmadụ na Nnewi.